Hi everybody, today we're going to read a book together. The title of this book is Maple. The author of this book is Lori Nichols. Let's begin. Maple loved her name. When she was still a whisper, her parents planted a tiny tree in her honor. Look at the small tiny tree her parents planted. Even though Flavia, Millie Jane, Lena, Lily, and Constance were all good names, Maple was the perfect fit. And as Maple grew, so did her tree. So look, when Maple was a small tiny baby, look how small and tiny her tree was. Now her tree is tall and big, and look at all the leaves that are on her tree. Sometimes when Maple was noisy, which was a lot, her parents sent her outside to play. Her tree didn't mind if she was loud. Maple would sing to her tree and sway for her tree and sometimes even pretend to be a tree. On some days, when the wind was just right, Maple would simply lie under her tree, and its leaves would dance just for her. Then one day, Maple noticed her tree was bare. Maple was worried her tree might get cold. What do you notice are happening to the leaves on the tree? So Maple took off her jacket and gave it to the tree to stay warm. Do you think the tree is cold? And do you think that's the reason why the leaves are falling off the tree? Sometimes Maple wished she had someone else to play with. The tree wasn't very good at throwing snowballs. She wondered if the tree felt the same way. So Maple introduced her tree to a friend. That friendship didn't last. Why do you think that friendship didn't last? What happened to the snow? But Maple and her tree still had each other. Through winter and spring. Then one day, something surprising happened. Look, something is beginning to grow. Then something really surprising happened. What do you think is going to happen? Maple became a big sister. Maple tried to be a good big sister. If the baby was cold, Maple gave the baby her hat and gloves. If the baby was lonely, Maple would share her special friends. But Maple couldn't always make the baby happy. And when the baby was noisy, which was a lot, Maple would take her outside to play. And something magical happened. Maple's tree danced for them both. And there was just enough room under the tree for Maple and her little sister, Willow. The end. How do you think Maple feels now that she's a big sister? What are some things Maple can do to make her little sister happy when she's upset? Please share. Can't wait to hear. Bye.